Hi all, welcome to Dazed in Flavor. Today I'm going to make one special recipe with pumpkin called Olen. This is one item that captures the heart of children and adults equally. For this, the main ingredient you require is pumpkin, also called as ash gourd, and red cowpeas or thatta payiru. To begin with, here I have clean and cut pumpkins. I'm going to add water to it and let it cook. To this, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Here I'm adding pink salt. You can add as per your availability. Next, I'm also going to add green chilies. I'm adding 5 to 6 green chilies. These chilies are spicy, so I think that's good enough. But if you need more spice, feel free to add more. Close it and cook it. In a pressure cooker, I have boiled around 1 cup of red cowpeas. I've had 5 to 6 whistles go with it, and once it's cooked, I'm going to take it out and using a wooden smasher, I'm going to smash it. The cowpeas is also called as red chori or thatta payiru, so that's how you can commonly find it in Indian market. So now our pumpkin is cooked. So note here that we never use yellow pumpkin for it. This is a special white pumpkin that we use for this curry. And it's also popularly called as ash gourd or winter melon. Now to this, I'm going to add the cowpeas. We're going to mix them together. Now to this, I'm going to add coconut milk. Here I'm using Thai coconut milk. I'm adding around half can of coconut milk. So this coconut milk is specifically very thick. If your coconut milk is light, you can add around 1 can of coconut milk to give it the consistency. Add salt as desired. For the final touch, we're going to add 2 special ingredients. One is coconut oil. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil to this, and also curry leaves. This gives a burst of flavor to the curry. Now the curry is ready. Turn off the stove and just give it a stir. Enjoy hot Olen with rice. Remember to like, share and subscribe. I'm sure you'll love this recipe. Get dazed in flavor.